keep on telling me this is fake. I am brave, man, that's what I say to myself, cause I'm making these waves and I'm making it happen. I'm up on this line, yeah, up on this line. I've been mentally drained, cause I've been losing my sleep. Gonna stay on the way, while you just
All right, day one is going to begin. I think all I'm really gonna shoot for today is just, well, I mean, not necessarily today, but I'm gonna shoot for a soft sand real quick, just to kind of get, you know, get all this stuff cleaned off of it, like dirt and all off of it, so we can see really what we got. Because there's going to be a lot of cracks and stuff that need to be filled. All this was, I would assume, 80 gridded, so that's got to be fixed. The other side, I got to get that hood and glue it back together, so a little bit of work to do. I went around the car on the parts that I've sanded and marked, you know, any little spot that I want to hit before, you know, a first prime and block. This car sat for so long. A lot of this bodywork needs to be updated. Progress update. Starting to re-tape. This old tape is really hard to get off, but started most of the hardcore body work, the 80 grit, still letting the fiberglass dry. Just kind of, you know, still re-upping things, but I think I'm gonna prime the back half of the car first and then move my way up, because the back half's pretty good, just a little spots here and there to be touched up, then it can be re-primed, and that really is a good start basis to see where we're at. Clean the inside out a little bit too, just put stuff in the bag. What a project, what a mess really. So I got the back half of the car pretty much taped off or blocked off. I'm not really worried about overspray, seeing as it's, you know, not a customer's car. But I mean, everything's pretty much taped up. I know some of the painter type people in here are gonna want to see the painting process, but honestly right now it's hard without a stand to do the painting and the recording. But I just use a Husky, the 2.2 tip, to do primer whenever it's supposed to be heavy like this. Nothing crazy or expensive. And really I just lay it in the areas where I can see it's been blocked, because those are the hardest areas to fill. Look at the difference in color from the old primer to this. How long it's been sitting. It's crazy. I think I'm about to stop it right there. I'm not sure if it's gonna be one video or two so far. It just depends on the length of them. But fiberglass has started on this side, the rough fiberglass up here. I'm kind of getting into the Bondo to finalize it. Back in here, no, the rest of it's in primer, but you can see, you know, the lines and stuff where it needs to be blocked and rounded off real good. So it'll go, you know, get blocked and then a second primer, and then probably blocked again. Definitely a process. A lot of old body work on it already. Let's see if I can get an angle of like goodness. Really not excited for this corner, but that's okay. Definitely make sure to give this a like. Let me know what you're thinking. It's been a long 2 days already, so. Oh my goodness. Also, maybe comment what color you think it should go. You know, interior is going to be red, so remember that, but just kind of taking opinions of what people think. But yeah, smash that like button. Let me know some things in the comments. And I will see y'all in the next segment of this, hopefully.